Hey there calendar enthusiasts! In today's video, we'll show you how to add birthdays to your Google Calendar. Whether it's your best friend's special day or a family member's celebration, keeping track of birthdays has never been easier. Let's get started. 1. Open Google Calendar, head to Google Calendar in your web browser, sign in with your Google account, or create one if needed. 2. Enable the Birthdays calendar. On the left sidebar, find My Calendars. Make sure the checkbox next to Birthdays is checked. This ensures that birthdays will appear on your calendar. 3. Add birthdays via Google Contacts. Open Google Contacts. You can also access it from the Google Apps menu. Create a new contact for the person whose birthday you want to add, enter their name and birth date, save the contact. 4. Verify in Google Calendar. Go back to Google Calendar, scroll to the person's birth date, usually displayed as an all-day event. Voila! The birthday should now be listed.